Hello family, how you doing? This is Aislee with Hustledads and Family Legacy Club coming to you with a new video today on making a deposit into your Hugos Way broker trading account so that you can start trading live and move past the demo account. All right, let's go to the house rules. This is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just a guy here on YouTube in the metaverse. Information, educational, and entertainment information only. You gotta do your own due diligence. Don't invest any money in any platforms, programs, projects out here that you cannot afford to lose. That means don't put your house money, rent money, bill money, car payment, grocery money in any platform. Make sure that you assess your own risk levels and go from there, family. All right, as you know, I'm here on YouTube documenting my journey, showing you guys how we grow our crypto and other assets online and offline to build passive residual income and to build wealth and residual income. All right, so with that being the case, we're going to jump into this video. So we've already shown you how to set up an account here on Hugos Way. In doing that, we're going to log into this account and all right, so you log into the account, family. You're going to go here to deposit. All right, and in deposits, you're going to go to the wallet, set your currency, whatever currency that I'm in the US, so I'm USD, and you're going to make deposits with Bitcoin. All right, so we're going to go over that. I'm going to show you one of the easiest and cheapest ways to purchase Bitcoin and send the Bitcoin here. All right, and the amount, you can start out with as little as $50. All right, family, so as you can see there, that is QR code with the address, the wallet address that you're going to send the Bitcoin to. This address is going to be used once, and you have an hour to go ahead and use that. So we're going to go on over to my phone here, and we're going to go to Cashapp. So you need Cashapp in order to do this. You can use several different other wallets. You don't have to use Cashapp, but if you're new, Cashapp is going to be pretty easy for a lot of people to use, and a lot of people have Cashapp. All right, family, so here we are on my phone and we are in Cashapp. So for the sake of this video, we're going to assume that you already know how to purchase Bitcoin using Cashapp, and if you don't, you're going to click on the B at the bottom right and you're going to hit buy, but you have to set up and enable in this middle portion. There's where it says deposit Bitcoin and that Bitcoin address. If you have not set up Bitcoin to enable your Cashapp wallet to purchase and sell and send Bitcoin, then you're going to have to set that up. When you set that up, you're going to have to take a picture of your ID, your driver's license, and go through a process called KYC, Know Your Customer. That's going to take you about 24 hours or so, plus or minus. I'll have some videos, or leave a comment and I'll point you to videos showing you how to purchase and sell and set up your Cashapp wallet to purchase Bitcoin. But for this video, we're going to assume that you already have that set up and you're ready to move to the next step. So once you purchase Bitcoin, which I already have Bitcoin purchased here, and what's kind of disappointing here today, I purchased some Bitcoin and Bitcoin went down 9.something%. It was at $27,000 for a Bitcoin today. And when I actually just logged in here, I just saw that Bitcoin, let's see, yes, the Bitcoin in my wallet here is showing $945 when earlier today I had $1,030. Originally I had $2,050, but I already sent some to the wallet. Now we're going to send the rest. You can click right there under the Bitcoin to type it in dollar amounts or type it in. All right, family, so I got the amount of Bitcoin typed in there, what I have there at the top, and we're going to click on the little QR code camera button at the top right under my battery up there. All right, and so that's going to allow us to scan, which I did, scan the QR code where we're going to send it. Now select withdrawal speed. I'm a little impatient, so I want to send it fast. I want it to go there in 10 minutes, so I'm gonna pay the $1.14 fee. Efficient Bitcoin balance, meaning that I didn't have enough to cover the fees, so it's going to adjust automatically the amount of money to send the equivalent for the fees. So we're gonna confirm and send, and done. All right, so I just sent the remaining balance of Bitcoin over to my Hugos Way wallet and trading account. So let's go ahead and head back over to the computer. All right, so we're back here on the computer and it said transaction detected. So you can see fluctuation of the Bitcoin price. I had $1,015 there earlier. I should have deposited that thing earlier today or just waited for Bitcoin to go back up, but not worried about it. We will make that up when we trade this money, and when we convert it back to Bitcoin, we will make up that difference. So that money there is deposited into my account here, deposit history. So I'm going to go ahead and do what's called an internal transfer, and we're going to transfer from the wallet to my MetaTrader account. All right, so select to account, from this wallet, and I'm going to transfer $1,000 into this account here. All right, my transfer was successful. Account balance may take up to 5 minutes to update. And there you go. That was it. Just sent money to my Hugos Way wallet here. Did an internal transfer into a MetaTrader account for trading. And this money will be here tomorrow for live trading. Next, we'll set up open another account here in Hugos Way, because this account here is going to be for my automatic trading bot, and the other account will be for us copying signal and trading on our own. So we'll have two accounts going on and seeing which one does better, personal trading versus the bot trading for us. All right, family, make sure that you like, subscribe, and comment on the channel below. Also, make sure that you hit the notification bell as well, so that when we drop a new video or anything, you're notified as soon as possible. Some of the information that we put out here is time sensitive, so you want to definitely make sure that you are subscribed and that you click the notification bell. All right, with that being the case, we out, family. Peace.